The ICEPURE WFC5300A undersink water filter provides long-term performance, delivering clean drinking water for up to roughly 3 years, or about 22,000 gallons under typical municipal use. Its fine filtration down to approximately 0.5 micron effectively reduces heavy metals, chlorine, rust, sediment, and many common off flavors and odors, resulting in noticeably fresher tasting water. The system is built from materials that meet multiple international safety and food contact standards, which inspires confidence for families who care about what touches their water. ICEPURE applies strict quality control with multi-stage testing on each filter, so performance and flow rate feel consistent from one cartridge to the next. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, with clear guidance that makes it easy to tuck the compact housing under a kitchen or bathroom sink without special tools. Because it supports a wide range of household and light commercial setups, this filter works well for kitchens, offices, recreational vehicles, and small cafes that want better water for drinking, cooking, and everyday use.